That is the big tree there. It's very windy. And the big tree. Pag pinakat mo yan guys, yung tree na yan, yan, dahil ang laki-laki niyan, naku, sinilin ka niyan guys na sobrang mahal. Siguro sinilin ka niya ng ano, ang lang yata eh, 150,000. Kasi yung miss ko guys, nagpaputol siya ng puno kaya 3,500 ang bayan mo, $3,500 Belgium dollar. That's very big tree. Spring na guys, spring na.